Welcome to Bits of Java. Today we'll be talking about two main ways to construct arrays. So the first way is we can create an array of a particular data type. We'll make it an int. So I will have a group of ints. I will call them nums. And I will assign them a list of numbers. So I will give them the numbers 4, 8, 15, 16, 23, and 42, followed by a semicolon. So this creates a list of numbers. I type in nums to pull up the object reference, and you will see that our array has a length of 6, and in each location we have the numbers that we provided. You can do this with any data type, so the format is the data type, followed by brackets, followed by a variable name, and then you insert the different values. Now, if I want to make it strings, I could do string brackets, and I'll call this names, and I'll call this Alice and Bob. And if I access the names variable, now I have an array of length 2 that contains the data Alice and Bob. So that's one way to create an array. The other way we can create an array is to create an empty array and specify the size. So if I want to make an array to hold these 6 numbers, then I do int brackets nums, give that the value of construct a new array. Instead of using parentheses, we use brackets and we say how large the array is going to be. Oops, nums already defined, so I'll call it nums2. If I access nums2, you'll find that we have an array of length 6 with default values of zeros. If I want to make an array of strings that can hold 2 names, I'll put 2. Names already defined. Names2. And now I have an array of length 2 with the default value for objects null, taking up those 2 spaces. So, to recap, you can declare the array by saying the data type with brackets, the variable name, and give it some values. Or you can, again, data type, variable name, but now use the new keyword, the same data type, and specify how large an array you want.